Angulimal was a very dangerous man. He lived in the forest. He had a vow to kill in 1,000 people. He used to cut the finger of his victims and wear them as a necklace. Everyone was terrified of him. One day, the Buddha was walking through the forest. Angulimala, the Buddha, and ran after him with a sword. He shouted, "Stop, monk, stop!" The Buddha kept walking slowly and peacefully. Angulimal ran fast, but he could not catch the Buddha. He yelled again, "I told you stop!"